My video guide is about removing the browser scam that is related to the website a-bonobo-wno2.click or the similar website a-bonobo-wno1.click. This is a very deceptive website that currently attacks many popular browsers, but mainly it targets Google Chrome. Both of these websites are pretty scary and they display scary information. It tells that you need to install some software supposedly to make your computer protected, because the pop-up says your computer might be susceptible to viruses and malware. The similar pop-up may be also presented in French. However, all this information is absolutely deceitful, and you should not trust this misleading content displayed by these pop-ups. It is dangerous because if you click on the subscribe now button, you may be forwarded to some other dangerous content, some websites that may promote a totally different software. So there is something really misleading in all these pop-ups, and you should stay away from interacting with them. Typically, the occurrence of these alerts and these scary messages is explained by the presence of some unwanted software or some intrusive notifications activated in your browser. You can now see some of these ads displayed in the right bottom part of the screen, and when these ads are clicked on, the browser may display such scary messages. But this information is totally faulty and you should not interact with all these pop-ups. To get rid of them, access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then in Permissions select Notifications and pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. If you find any malicious resources that might be causing such intrusive pop-ups on your screen, get rid of them. Click on this button and deactivate these pop-ups. To make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I recommend you to scan it with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the website combocleaner.com, download the software and begin the detailed research of your computer with its help to detect and delete other hidden threats. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called Anti-Ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.